Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we got some more junk wax. Woohoo! 1989 Donruss. Obviously on the hunt for Ken Griffey Jr. rookie. Although I did pull a Ken Griffey Jr. rookie, if you saw my shorts about a week ago. Did get that opened or pulled. But we're looking for a Randy Johnson at this point. But it would be great to get another Ken Griffey. But it's junk wax, so it's probably going to be nothing, if I'm honest. Okay. We got in this one Scott May, Nelson Liriano, Alvin Davis, Lance Blankenship, Tim Lardner, Scott Jordan, Mike Devereaux, Todd Fornworth, Spike Owen, Hippolyto Pena, Ozzie Guillen, another Kurt Schilling. I know that these is another one of those valuable cards. I'll top load it because I really have nothing better to top load at the moment. I know they do go for some money, not a lot, like I don't know exactly, but I mean money is money. Am I right? White's bad. Tony Gwynn, Diamond Kings, John Moses, and Todd Stottlemore. I don't know how to pronounce his name. I'm hoping for some low numbers. A lot of the cards I want are low. Hoping this is a low pack. It's not. But I don't know. Daryl Boston, Chill Davis, John Fishel, Jose De Leon, Steve Jeltz, Rob Dibble, Mark Parent, Bob Kipper, Atlee Hammaker, Jose Alvarez, Mitch Webster, McKay Sasser, Mike Moore, Cecil Fielder, and Al Newman. Junk wax. Third pack. Michael McFarlane, Bob Brower, Ron Jones, rated rookie, Bobby Witt, Mike Fitzgerald, Dave Henderson, Jerry Don Gleeden, Doug Jones, Rick Dempsey, Joel Skinner, Bob Stanley, Jim Wellwander, Don August, Andreas Galarraga, and Joe Heskeith. All right, last pack for the day for the junk wax. Don't think we're gonna get a Randy. This one seems to be another high number pack. Yeah. Dave Vale, Mally Trino, Mike Lacoste, Scott Mevin, Van Snyder, Jeff Blouser, Andy Hawkins, Dennis Lamp, Ricky Jordan, Dale Mahorikich, Jack Savage, Mike Boddicker, Lance Johnson, Diamond Kings, Kirk Gibson, and Lloyd McClendon with a ruined edge right there you can see. But yeah, that'll be it. Tons and tons of junk wax, but that's okay. If y'all like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.